Hi everybody, welcome back to Khmer class unit 1. Are you ready? The class begins. Listen and read. I want to learn more Khmer. I want to learn more Khmer. Mean ខ្ញុំចង់រៀនខ្មែរថែមទៀតខ្ញុំចង់រៀនខ្មែរថែមទៀត Thank you for helping me learn more Khmer. Thank you for helping me learn more Khmer. Min អរគុណដោយជួយខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរថែមទៀតអរគុណដោយជួយខ្ញុំរៀនខ្មែរថែមទៀត I am studying Khmer at Bihar School. I am studying Khmer at Bihar School. មីនខ្ញុំកំពុងរៀនខ្មែរនៅសាលា Bihar School. ខ្ញុំកំពុងរៀនខ្មែរនៅសាលា Bihar School. Thanks for watching. See you next time.